Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a half wig. I have some extra hair left over, so I felt like, hey, why not just do one of these videos since I haven't done one of these wigs in a long time. Now, half wigs are very easy to create, so I'm not going to be doing too much talking in this video because it's pretty much self-explanatory. So this is going to be another one of those therapeutic type videos where I'm just vibing out, playing the music, and you guys can just watch me create. All right, now let's get started. Now this is the cap that I'm going to be using to make this wig. I'll leave all the information in the description box for you. This is actually a new cap for me. I've never used this type before, so I thought I'd give it a try and just, see how it works for me. This cap did come with some combs. I already have some combs, but I am going to be using them. Now this is just to secure the wig to your head, but you can also use those combs that kind of clip onto your hair. Those are the ones that I would usually use, but I'm going to try these this time. All right, so now I'm just going to use my chalk and make my guidelines, and then I'm going to use my sewing machine to zigzag stitch on these guidelines and pretty much create this wig for you. So just keep watching and you'll see exactly what I do. Now, half wigs can be used to add length. You can add some volume or some fullness to the back of your head. So it's not going to cover your whole head. You can use your hair in the front, and you can use some hair of the same texture in the back to create your half wig. Now, I'm not going to be wearing this wig in particular because this texture does not blend in well with my texture, but this is just for you guys for reference if you want to make this wig on your own instead of doing a full wig. And there you have it. I hope you were able to follow along with this video pretty well without me talking so much. But if you were, now you are able to make your own half wig. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell because I will be dropping videos every week and you don't want to miss those uploads. Until next time, bye.